If you're considering using Sports Events 365, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know before making your purchase. Whether you're looking for event tickets, live streams, or sports betting opportunities, this platform is packed with options, but there are some nuances to understand that can make or break your experience. Let's dive straight into it, starting with the first thing you should know. Unlike many competitors, Sports Events 365 offers a huge range of sports events worldwide. From the big leagues to niche tournaments, they cover pretty much everything. But what sets them apart? It's their global reach. They're one of the top players in international event offerings, which is a major advantage if you're looking for something specific or a bit off the beaten path. You might even find events listed here that aren't available on other platforms like Ticketmaster or StubHub. Next thing, while they offer a variety of events, Sports Events 365 is especially great for people interested in international sports. That's a huge bonus for those of us who want to access events outside the US or wherever our local options may fall short. This makes them a strong contender when compared to local ticket sellers that focus only on national events. So if you're looking for tickets or live streams for overseas events, you'll find it easy to navigate here. The third thing to consider is their pricing structure. Sports Events 365 is known for being transparent when it comes to pricing, but like any marketplace, ticket prices can fluctuate. It's crucial to keep an eye on the best deals. While prices tend to be competitive, they can sometimes be higher than the competition, particularly for high-demand events. But their customer service and user-friendly platform make up for it, which you might not get as easily from some of their rivals. Now, the fourth thing to think about, the user experience. Sports Events 365 shines here, offering an interface that is clean, easy to navigate, and straightforward. Unlike other ticket sites that can often be clunky or overwhelming, this platform is designed to provide a seamless experience. Whether you're browsing through different sports or checking out ticket availability, everything flows smoothly, and it's fairly simple to find exactly what you're looking for. Next thing, customer support. One of the areas where Sports Events 365 really outperforms some competitors is their support. Whether you need assistance with booking or have specific questions about an event, their team is relatively easy to get in touch with and responds promptly. This is a significant factor to consider, especially if you've had frustrating experiences with other ticketing platforms that leave you in the dark for days. The sixth thing you need to know is the flexibility with their services. Sports Events 365 doesn't just offer tickets. They provide a variety of event-related services, including live streaming options and other extras. For example, they might offer you a chance to stream certain events directly from the site, which is something many competitors don't offer. If you're someone who can't make it to the event in person, their online streaming is a huge plus. Finally, the seventh thing you should consider is the value you get when you sign up. Sports Events 365 frequently has offers that let you try the platform for free or at least get exclusive access to promotions and discounts. This is something you don't often see with their competitors, which might make Sports Events 365 a more cost-effective option if you're planning to attend multiple events. If you're looking to get started with Sports Events 365, click the first link in the description below to access the best free trial offer and gain access to exclusive benefits. Whether you're looking to get tickets for the next big game, stream an event live, or just want to explore the platform, you can give it a try completely free and experience everything it has to offer. Don't miss out. Check it out now and get the best deal on Sports Events 365 today.